Right now we're in isolation, practicing social distancing because of the COVID-19 virus that's going around. So I was temporarily released from my work duties, which has been awesome. I kind of needed a little sabbatical anyway. So we are actually practicing the social distancing and decided what a better time than now to work on our backyard. And one project that we've been putting off for a while is our chicken coop. So as you guys can see, if you can look, this is our chicken coop. Show them the whole chicken coop, please. So we've been working on this chicken coop, trying to use our wall as part of the frame. Haven't put any netting on. We got our door on. But one thing before I put on all the chicken wire, we want to make sure that we're getting our nesting box ready. So we've kind of already taken a few of the steps, but I wanted to show you guys where we're at and show you the process of building this chicken coop nesting box. So what I'm trying to do with my two boys here is we're trying to build, here, go on in the inside and we'll show them from the back. We're trying to build a nesting box where the eggs are rolling downward. So if you look down below where I mounted it to the 2x4, I actually have these brackets elevated on this side, and then on the front side I have it flush with the wood with just one screw that I can use to adjust my tension. Come on over the front side and you can see that. So you can see I've got the one screw here to adjust the tension. Now we have an egg, so I'm going to be using it before I start putting the sides and the roof on this. I want to test to see, one, if it's going to roll down, and two, if it's going to roll down so fast that I think the eggs will break. So I've kind of got it where we want it. You put it in different places. You know, they're not just going to lay flat, so they're coming down, and they're coming down at an angle that I don't think is going to be too fast that it will break. Probably won't be 100% perfect. Like if they lay it here close to the edge and it lines, it could just end up there, but that's fine. We're not going to get 100% accuracy on this. So this is step one. After we get the next steps going, we'll keep updating it. All right, thanks. All right, we're back. So we tried our best to build our rolling nesting box with 100% scrap material, and I want to say we're probably about 99% scrap material. We did have to buy some hinges that open up our flap, but the rest of it we tore down some raised bed garden boxes, and we'll put some seal on it and kind of caulk some of the edges just to make sure that water won't get on the gals as they're laying. And just coming around here, you can see we took the nesting box from the front side. So what I'm going to have my beautiful assistant here, he likes being called beautiful, he's going to drop an egg. Show us the egg. He's going to drop the egg. What? Wait, watch before it comes. See, it's empty. Now drop the egg. Oh, look, there's the egg. So it works. So then the idea is we'll be able to come out. Daddy. Hi, May. I don't need that right now. Thanks, though. We're going to be able to come out. This is going to be all wired in on our chicken coop. We're going to be able to come out and go, do I have any eggs? Let's see. I'll just go there. Just be like, oh, yep. There.
You got the hinges, Dad.
I got an egg. Yep, we got the hinges made. We're making a video too, Harley. All right, guys. So that's our nesting box that we made out of mostly scrap wood. We also made a small little ladder out of scrap wood for them to climb up, and hopefully it works out. So all right, thanks. Bye.